Okay, and I made the decision that I'll illustrate and I'll show you how to solve the quadratic equation by using the quadratic formula. So let's have a look on this equation. 15 minus 8x plus x squared equals 0. There is a good manner to always rearrange the quadratic equation so that the quadratic term stands like the first, linear term is the second, and absolute term is the last one. So we can rewrite the quadratic equation this way. Now what is important here is to be sure and understand that a in this quadratic equation equals 1. We can see no number in front of x squared, but there is basically 1 times x squared, okay, but it's not written there. The next parameter is b, and the value for b is -8, and for c we have 15. So what the quadratic formula says and what we want to calculate the first is discriminant. So, and this is something you have to remember, that discriminant is calculated like b squared minus 4ac. Okay, so now there is nothing hard about it. You just fill in the formula with the proper numbers. So -a squared minus 4 times 1 times 15. So discriminant equals 64 minus 60, so my discriminant equals 4. I'm happy because I know that discriminant is positive number, which means that I will have like two solutions. So x12 equals minus b plus minus square root of discriminant divided by 2a. Okay, so now I know that my first root is being calculated like -b, which is negative of negative is positive, so it's 8 plus, what is the square root of 4? We can write square root of 4, but we do it in our heads, so it's like 8 plus 2 divided 2 times a equals 2, so my first root is 10 over 2, which is number 5, and the second root is calculated like 8 minus 2 over 2, and this is 6 over 2, or 6 halves, which is number 3. Okay, so now you do the check and you do it properly. I'll do it like really quickly. For number 3, 15 minus 24 is -9 plus 3 squared is 9, so I'm happy. You do the same thing for 5, and then you write your result, that the set of roots for this quadratic equation is set with two elements, element 3 and element number 3 and number 5. Okay.